Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to finish up my little project pan I did for myself. This was before I joined the Fantastic Ladies, and so I'm now doing panning projects with them. This one was just one I just kind of threw together on my own, and I know it's the 1st of December, but I'm done with it. I'm done. So I'm calling it quits. I'm not going to hit my goal on any of these items that's left. So let's just jump in and let me show you what I've been doing and where we're at. And yeah, first off, I had this Touch of Soul No Problem Prime Essence. I like this. I thought I could use it up. This sucker was, I think, pretty much full when I put it in. It has an expiration date. We are past that expiration date. So, you know, I think I'm going to toss this. I'm going to throw it into my empties. You'll see it when I do my empties. I don't think I'm going to continue with this. I don't know how much longer this guy will last. I'm a year over my expiration date. So I think it's going in the empties. I'm tired of it anyway. So that one, I didn't hit my goal. Next, I had my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek. It's a highlighter in Butterfly Beach. This is one of my favorite highlighters in the summertime. It looks great on as a highlighter in the summer. In the cooler months when I don't have color, it's a little too dark for me. I've been using it as a brow bone highlight and I love it for that. So it's still in fantastic condition. This is the second project pan I have had it in. I do have a pretty substantial pan, but the looks of this is another year or so. Seriously, it'll take me to use this up. I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep it on my desktop, and I'm going to use it as my brow bone highlighter from now on until it is gone. I do like this. I have more of these, same age, because I bought a bunch at the same time, and they just keep going and going. So there we go. That's that. Next, I had a powder foundation. My goal was to use this up. When I put it in the project, I didn't have any pan. And here is where I am now. Put that down. I do have substantial pan, but it's not done. It's not done. I did like using this in the summer. I don't like it using it this time of year. I figured that out. I prefer it during warmer months. I'm going to hang on to it, pull it out again next summer, and use it and finish it up then. You'll probably see it in another project pan at some point. But yeah, no, I didn't finish it. I just knew I would. I didn't. So there we go. Next is this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is so old. The packaging is broken. I have used the heck out of it this year, trying to use it up. I still haven't used off the pattern. I even scraped some out and used in making frankening something. This is way past its expiration date, but it still performs great. It does not smell anymore. There is no scent left to this, and you know how well these smell. I purchased earlier this year this Physicians Formula palette, and it has the bronzer in it, and it smells great. So I have it. So therefore, this one's going in the trash. I'm going to throw it in my empties. You'll see it again in my empties video. It's going in my trash. I don't need to keep it. I'm not going to franken with it. It needs to go. It needs to go bye-bye. Next, I had this eyeliner. I had two eyeliners in my project, and I did use up the Sephora eyeliner. This one by Jane Manuel. I was having a hard time using it on my eyes, and then I discovered it as a lip liner. I'm wearing it today. I love this as a lip liner. I love this shade as a lip liner. It's brown. It's a beautiful shade. So here, I'm gonna draw where I'm ending. I'm gonna make it bigger so you can see. That blue mark is where I ended. See, I've used it quite a bit. So I'm gonna keep it and use it as a lip liner, not as an eyeliner, and just keep going with it until I've used it up. And then I'll be sad to see it go. I'll need to find a nice brown lip liner. That made a great lip liner, I must say. And then last, my palette. Pan that palette. My goal originally, I think, was to pan 3 shades in this palette. And I saw pretty quickly that wasn't going to happen. I did hit the pan in this one. When I hit the pan in that one, I immediately went to this one. I have been working on this shadow for months. I use it with every single eye look. Every single eye look, I start with this shade, and I still haven't hit pan. What is the deal? I don't even think I'm near pan. I don't know if you can see. Let me try. There. I don't know if you can see. Probably not. Maybe you can see. There's a dip. There is a massive dip. But I do not see the bottom of that dip. And I'm going to tell you truthfully, I am sick and tired of pulling out this palette. It's going back in my collection. It's still performing beautifully. There's no problems with it. It's going back into my collection, and I'm going to leave it alone for a while. But I didn't hit pan. I don't know if I would hit pan by the end of the year. I'm guessing no. I think I'll keep it out till the end of the year. Keep using it, and if I hit pan, I'll show you. If I don't, then it's just I never did hit pan. Is that crazy? I guess I'm not the best panner when it comes to like powder products. I guess I have a light hand. It might come from being an artist. It might be why I have a very light touch. I can use a little color and blend it out, and I like to build my colors. So maybe that's where it comes from. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe that palette is just hard to pan. I don't know. But that's it. I'm done with this project pan. I'm calling it done. I only successfully panned one item in this entire project. One, and that was an eyeliner. Everything else, I didn't hit my goal on any of them. So anyway, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.